Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a bathroom replacement vent fan sent to me by Frienda. I was compensated to make this video, just to be clear and transparent. This is a nice fan replacement. It's a 6.5-inch blade, a plastic blade. It's got a nice metal motor with a 6.5-inch cord. 3,000 RPM is the speed of it. 50 CFM is some of the specs on this thing. We're going to go through the whole thing. We're going to show you how it looks, and we're going to hear how it sounds. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I do appreciate you tuning in, and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this type of content, to give you a little bit of knowledge, to teach you a little bit everything there is to know. Let's go. Which is great, and it's 120 volts. It's got a 6-foot cable already included. The plug, most of these are just plug right in, and you have a switch on the wall. These are just, that's how they're designed. Basically, you replace these, you plug it in, and you're good to go. Okay, so it's got 2 screws in the back here. These 2 screws are standard, universal for most of these type of fan replacements. So that's easy enough to do. This fan is around 6.5 inches wide is the actual circumference of it, the width of it, and it's a little flimsy, but you know what? I think it'll do the job. It does come apart just like this. When you get it, you just have to basically push it on. If you're having some hard time, just be careful. You can put a little soap on the end of the spindle to get it pushed on, and try to get it on as far as you can, and make sure it's square and straight. If it's crooked, you'll get some vibration. So the idea is the straighter it is, the quieter it's going to sound. So that's kind of like a little secret with that, how that works. So this is, again, 6.5-inch cord. This is an 1.75-inch shaft right here, 1.75 inch. And the size of the motor, approximately, I'll just give you an idea. And this is pretty much universal. These fit pretty much all. This is approximately 3 by our width is around 2.5. And the total depth with the mounting screws and everything is approximately 4 inches. Again, this is plug in, so this is not a lot of electrical work involved. You plug the old one in, just 2 screws, as you can see here. So basically taking it apart and putting it in. Okay guys, as you can see, I have it plugged in. I have it on the ground here. I just wanted to show you and how much. Let's listen to it and let's see how powerful it is. I think this is a pretty nice fan. Let's just plug it in real quick here and just see how it sounds.
That thing is throwing off a ton of air and it's going right along. It's cranking. It's pretty quiet. It's around 67 decibels, right around there. Did a quick test on it. Throwing off a ton of air, so definitely got to move the air out of the bathroom. That's what you're looking for. And I think it's a fantastic fan, nice and quiet, considering for its class. So I definitely highly recommend it. It's a nice, easy fan to install, like I said. And definitely, once you put this on, you know, just push it on. As you can see, it just comes right off. Just get a little soap and just push it on and just make sure it's square. That's the biggest secret. So that's what I have for you today. Hope you enjoy it. Definitely highly recommend something like this if you're going to do it yourself. Definitely easy DIY, no question about it. It's basically a couple screws, pretty easy. All right, guys, appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this quick review on this fan. And thanks for sending it to me. I think it's a great deal. Thanks for watching.